If a line has a slope of -2 and passes through the points 4, 9, and 8y plus 1, then what is the value of y? All right, everybody, the answer to this question is 0. And here's why. There's a couple of different ways that we can tackle this problem, but I'm going to tackle this in the most intuitive way that I can. Because here's what's going on. We are starting off with positive 4, positive 9, and our slope is -2. So what this means is that every time we move over by 1, we subtract 2. So we add 1 to the x, and then we go down by -2. So that's what's happening here, and we will keep applying that. But the thing is, we could definitely keep applying this until we get to 8, and then compare the answers, right? We could definitely do that. Or we can understand that 8 is 4 numbers away from x, so from 4. So what we can do, if we're doing that 4 times, if we're going to be moving from 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 to 8, we need to subtract 2 from y every time, because again, the slope is -2. So that means that every time we go over by x, 1, we're going down by 2. Over 1, down by 2. So we will actually subtract 2 4 times. And that means that we will subtract 8. So 9 minus 8 gives us 1. So that's the coordinate that we will receive when x equals 8. But they're telling us that this is actually the coordinate. So when you think about it, what does y have to be? So what does y have to be to make this true? Because again, these are supposed to be the same. Sorry about that. So there we are. They're supposed to be the same. And so to figure out what y needs to be, subtract 1. Y equals 0. Because if y equals 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. And that means that this holds true. And we're good. So that's just one way of doing it. There are obviously many, many ways that we can do this problem. I'm hoping that this way made sense. If not, go ahead and look at the additional written solution. And if that doesn't make sense either, you know how to reach us. Let us know, and we're more than happy to help you out.